students, today I shall discuss about the intellectual ideas that went into the making of sociology. As already I have discussed with you that sociology is based on scientific investigation. So, sociologists and social anthropologists were influenced by scientific theories of natural evolution, and it is the process by which organisms change over time as a result of change in heritable physical traits. Change that allow an organism to better adapt to its environment, which will help it to survive. And the sociologist also influenced by the findings about pre-modern societies made by early travelers and colonial administrators. And sociologists were influenced by them because at that time these sections of people used to travel different places and write about those societies from their own point of view, and categorized societies into different types on the basis of the traits or characteristics, and to distinguish different stages in social development. And these features of society reappear in the works of early sociologists like Auguste Comte, who was considered as the father of sociology, Karl Marx, and Herbert Spencer. And efforts were made to classify different types of societies on the basis of these features. Firstly, the pre-modern societies means the society before modernization or industrialization, which include hunters and gatherers, pastorals and agrarian and non-industrial civilizations. Secondly, modern societies, which include the industrialized societies where people work with the pace of machine, clock, and calendar. And such evolutions assumed that West was necessarily the most advanced and civilized, and non-Western societies were seen as less developed. And sociological thoughts were influenced by Darwin's idea about organic evolution. I think already you have studied about Darwin's theory, isn't it? So society was compared with living organism, and efforts were made to trace its growth through stages comparable to those of organic life. Similarly, society is a system of parts, and each part plays a given function. For example, if society need to run smoothly, all its institutions like family, school, educational institution, religious and political institutions need to work efficiently, because all these institutions are interrelated, and it is mentioned here that because the intellectual ideas have a direct relation how sociology studies empirical reality, or the reality which is based on experiment or facts. Sociology also influenced by Enlightenment. Enlightenment was an European intellectual movement of the late 17th and 18th century, which emphasized reason or logic, and individualism or individual characteristics which is different from other individual. After the movement, there was great advancement of scientific knowledge and a firm belief that the methods of the natural science should and could be extended to the study of human affairs. For example, poverty was seen as natural phenomena, but now began to be seen as social problem arised due to human ignorance and exploitation, and by using social survey method we can study the problem poverty and find out the cause and consequence and can provide solution too.